Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y33S, and I'll show you how to enable the quick launch on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the shortcuts and accessibility. Now just go here to the quick action and just tap here on the switcher to activate the quick launch. And here, for example, we can open the camera when your phone just is locked. Just now press and hold your down volume button and you can see that your camera is activated. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.